Hey Glue Army, welcome back to a next tutorial. Want this quality on mobile? All mobile editors dream of having AE and Topaz-like quality with just their phone. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to upscale the quality of your edits to 4K with just your phone. Before we get started, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. That's it for the tutorial, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Now you can enjoy posting your edits in 4K quality. If you found the video useful, please show your appreciation by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. You can even comment what tutorial you want next. With that said, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.